Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's May 8th. It's a beautiful Monday. The sun is shining, and we back at it, y'all. And as always, we just here to have some fun. While we're having some fun, we look for some key areas where we can make some money. It's a beautiful Monday. Charts are looking decent. Overnight, we went the low for the overnight into right now was 41.43, and the high was 41.61. So decent, decent little size there. I'm just kind of taking a look at things right now, seeing if we're gonna get the break above 61, or if we're gonna keep taking it down. I really want to see if price comes back down, how it's gonna react at like 41.50, and then I was looking at 41.45 to see if they have confirmation to the downside. If we can hold consistently below 45, I think it would be a good spot to start looking to go short. Once we show we're holding below 45, and then obviously to the upside, I would probably give it some time to get up to about like 60, 65. See how once we get to 65, how we start reacting above 65. So that's where I'm at for right now. Gonna allow price to develop. Gonna allow price action to show us our setups, and then until then we'll just hang back and wait for the move to come to us. Right? It's no need for us to rush or overdo anything. We're already close. Well, market is officially open. The U.S. session is 9:32. We got pretty close to 51, 41, 41, 51. So, as always, let's hang back and allow price to develop and really show what it's truly trying to do here. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. You would have triggered myself into a trade with a buy market. I normally do a stop. I normally do I like doing a limit order to get in, but I didn't want to put it at 55 to wait for us to get back to 60. I just wanted to get in right away, so I did a market order. And the reason I did that, this 5-minute at 9:45 candle looks pretty positive back to the upside. So I'm looking for a reversal back up on this candle. So let's see how this one works out. All right, looks like this one is not going to be a good one. Like they're slowly marching it back down. All right, do our first trade on the day. First trade on the day, first L on the day. So I'm looking at if price gets back down to about like the low of the session, which is 41.43. If we get to 42, I like price getting back. I like price getting lower. So looking at that pull into at least 37, 41.37 before we start running into more traffic close to the 41.35 area. So that's why you see me put on a sell limit on this one. I'm actually gonna do 3 contracts, put it back on. I'll do 3 contracts. I really like the move if we get down to 42. So I put on 3 contracts and let it does what it needs to do. I'm starting to like maybe the trade at 45, take from 45 to 40. But I don't know if I want to be that aggressive. I think I just play it at 42. Because price is struggling right now between 46, 45. So I'll play it safe and take it at 42 instead of 45. I think buyers might be stepping up here at this 45, 46 level. So let's cancel. We're going to cancel that sell and see how much buying power the buyers actually have. If buyers get it back up to 55, I like the long off of 55. I like the long off of 55, and I like the short at 42. Those are my 2 levels I'm looking at to take my next trade. Obviously, it's not just price get into the level, but confirmations within the candle structure and the stats. So let's allow price to develop and allow structure to develop around it as well. So I'm looking at this opportunity like this would be a potential good short at 45. We talked about the short at 45 to 40 earlier. So I'll take this short at 45. I'm gonna keep an eye on price, see how I feel as we get to like 46. Take it from 45 to 40. Yeah, I'll take it from 45. I'll take the short at 45 to 40. Instead of 42. It definitely got some support down there between 46 and 45. So I think if we definitely crack 46, 45, we're gonna have a potential sharper move down to 40. So let's allow this to play out and see. If we get to 48, I want to buy one more. I want to. I'll add on. I'll add on 3 more contracts if we get to 48 for the downside. Obviously, if we get to 48, I don't mind it pulling back in to the previous bar, but I do like the continuation down here to 40. But if we get up to 48, I'm gonna add on to the position. I'm gonna add on 3 more at 42. Like I said, I like the continuation, so I'm trusting what I'm seeing. Price get to 42, add 3 more, be a total of 6 contracts, but the last 3 would only be for 2 points. All right, y'all. So that was a long trade. Finally finished, and yeah, it was not successful trade. So today we're gonna call it quits now. So 2 trades on the day, both were losses. This last trade, we was sitting in it since like on the 10-10 candle, got in at 41.45. We added 2 more once we got down to 41.42, but buyers was not having it today, so they found a way to push it back up, got us out of the trade at 41.50. All right, so that's where we are. The first trade was a long trade that did not work out. Price came down off of that. Then we tried to keep. Then we took a short, and yeah. So it's only Monday. The week is still young. Let's not get discouraged. Got a couple things to get done today, so I'm gonna stop here for today. I will be back tomorrow. We're down 255, so let's see how we recover for the rest of the week. Stay blessed, hang with the best, and until then, y'all, stay safe.